So what's up, my boys? So, my boys, hello. Okay, let's go scripting, my boys. Let's go. Okay, not scripting, probably making GUI today. Okay. So, I don't like how these templates looks like. So after a night it looks really weird for me. Let's change the colors, because really something weird with that, I think. Okay, what about this? Maybe just gray color. Maybe just gray. Let's do that. Okay, like so. Like so. Oh, of course, maybe it won't be with these colors. Like, okay. Hello, Noel. Hello. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Okay, and let's change this light to white, I think. About this, I'm not sure. Like, we need, or we need this. I don't know. Okay, this really definitely looks weird for me, at least for now. So maybe we need to recolor that. Maybe really, or make it much darker. Like so, maybe, by the way. Hello. Welcome. Maybe make it much darker, or at the same time maybe change the colors of that. No, something weird with background. What are you doing? I'm making a game in Roblox. Okay, let's maybe just make it like so. This will be the shop. Yeah, this will be the shop, but this is like best deals, like every day or every week, I don't know, maybe every day there is some discounts and sales, and of course we have crates separately and coins top. Okay, what about just simple colors like so, maybe? Maybe we lack of some texture, I don't know. Let's try. Okay, it looks great. Thank you, bro. But I don't like how it looks like, for real. Should be like so, but need to make the colors good. I don't know what colors we can pick here. Maybe this we need to change to... Oh, no. I mean this. Maybe... Just white. This is boring. Pretty boring. Or red. Or green. Maybe red even better. What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? Welcome. Anyway, something weird with that. Something weird. Okay, for example, if I don't want to make a big template, for example, I want a 4. Yeah, sometimes we can put 4 small templates or 3. Yeah, so we can mix them. Like, of course, this is big. This is big item. This should be like the best deal. So that's it. Good news, my guy. What a news, bro. What a news. Okay. Me and my crush are dating now. Great, bro. Great. Congratulations, bro. That's cool, bro. That's cool. So, okay, maybe we'll leave it like so. Guess who made the first move? I think she, because you told before she made the first steps. Sorry, guys. Or you, bro. Yes. Okay, anyway, bro, that's cool. Okay, I think it'll be like so. Maybe small templates we need to remake a little bit. Like, they should look different, I think. Yeah. If weren't for you, I wouldn't even talk to you. Bro, no, this is you did all of that, bro. I just give you some advice, bro. So this is all yours, bro. Need a little honey. So this should be a bit different, I think. Anyway. Alright, man, I'm gonna eat. Bye. Bye, bro. Bye. Have a good taste. Have a good meal. Maybe light we don't need here, I don't know. Maybe discount we don't need here, I don't know. You look like the owner of Roblox. Bro, you're not the first who told that. So yeah, I already heard that. But you're not like him. Yes, bro, I'm not him. you know the situation about scalp, or how it's called, this guy, or what do you mean? I don't know how to call this guy. Scalp or something like so. Scalp probably. Maybe like so, I think. Well, you have 2 streams. 3 streams, bro. I have 3. One also on the Twitch. There is a shorts, there is a full size. Oh, yeah, you're already on the full size. So I think like so we'll make that. Hello Profan, how are you? I was looking at your meme tower defense game and I was saying like, bro, that's crazy how I saw Def did that. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you very much. Glad to hear that. Just 1.5 year development, bro, and 0 experience. This is that game gave me a lot, for real, like a lot of skills. But this is more, definitely. This is much more already. Maybe 2.5 we need. For this, all this stuff. Okay, and for these timers, no, this timer, and here is 2.5. So you did all map UI script by yourself, like meme tower defense. Yes, bro, I did everything by myself, but except assets I take from toolbox, but assets only for the maps and lobby. Yeah, like all towers, absolutely all towers. This is mine models I made in Blender, except some of models have guns from toolbox, but characters all mine, absolutely. And just maps I also made on my own by using terrain editor in some cases, by using toolbox assets, because really why I need to make a tree, because it takes a lot of time if I create every asset. So I take I just place some trees from toolbox, I just place some models from toolbox, like barn, like mill on how this map called, no matter. So yeah, and that's it. UI is mine, script of course is mine, all characters is mine here, absolutely. So yeah. So did how much did this project took you? That project took 1.5 year, and it's slowed down me a lot, to be honest, and it's abandoned, and I think I will never come back to that project, because now I have much more skills, and I really it's really hurt to me to see how that game is written. What the hell, really, it's absolutely it's so difficult to develop that game. So if I would use meta tables here and OOP, yeah, we can like continue later. But now I understand there's a lot of problems, and I need I need to write like or the whole code, or just struggling with coding that game. Because guys, there is one script which has like 3,000 or more than 3,000 lines of code. One script. This is only one script. This is game controller, like UI in main game or something like so. So this is absolutely terrifying to work with that. Yo, I will play that game. I will ever donate some Robux to it. Thank you, bro. Now this game in development, and a bit later, when I start making the main part of game, because this is a lobby, we'll play test on the stream, and you can play test if you want, of course. And guys, who's new, there's a pinned message in the chat. Here is a 4 minutes video about this game. This game is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Pinned message in the chat, 4 minutes video about this game if you want. Amazing. Did you got helped by someone? No, bro. No any help. No, zero, absolutely. Of course, tutorials, developer forum, yes. But like some. Okay, no. Sorry. Yeah, I forget. FS, who's my tester in Discord, he helped me a little bit. He just like we worked together like a month, I think, and he just helped me with making maps for the winter update. That's all. Like he helped to decorate a report with for winter update, and but like the rest things I did on my own, and I realized that it's a little easier to make to work solo for me, at least for now. So I wasn't prepared to work in the team that time. FS also probably, I think, like so, and I expect more from him that he can give me for that time. No any like we anyway in a good how it's called. So anyway, we he's still tester, and no any issues we don't have between us, no any problems. Just I realized that I expected more than he can give me, and he realized probably that this is also pretty hard to him to work together. And after he helped me with winter maps, and just we finished working together. That's all. You think I should get helped by tutorials? The forum. You think I should get, bro? Of course. How you can develop the game without developer forum and tutorials? Of course, bro. Of course. Even now I use tutorials, but bro, because I have some experience now, I don't watch like the whole tutorials 20 minutes. I watch like the concept, how okay they made this thing like so, they create these functions, they create these variables and so on. In a lot of cases that's enough for me. Like okay, I just see the reference how other guys do any things in tutorial, so I don't need to watch like at the beginning line by line. So of course, bro, I still use tutorials, but I use it different ways, because I don't want. I know I need reference and like to create my thoughts in my mind. This is why I watch sometimes tutorials. And okay, these guys made this thing like so. So and it starts my brain work to okay, I can do for my game, I can do it better. So sometimes I think like so, and optimize their code, their concept for my game, and that's all. I don't need their tutorials usually. So Ali, don't forget, bro, don't forget, good programmer, good developer, bro. Okay, let's about coding. Good programmer, bro, this is not the guy who remembers everything. This is a good programmer, this is the guy who knows where to find something, bro. So you don't need to keep in your mind everything. This is very important. You need to know where to find in documentation, tutorials, developer forum, anything. So bro, you don't definitely need to. I sometimes forget how to use. I always forget how to use twin service, guys. I always forget because I don't use it a lot, and I made it a lot of times, but every time I need to Google that and see how to use twin service for my animations, for example. So, bro, you don't need to keep that in your mind. Just some things you remember like by default, bro. When you have more experience. So don't worry about that. Really, you need like sources. Know the sources where you to find that. I have a question. What a question? Okay, let's leave it like so right now. Let's leave it like so. Let's leave it like so. Items frame. Everything is collapsing whenever I add something. What do you mean, bro? I need more details. I don't know. You about UI, you about parts, 3D parts in the 3D space. You about GUI objects. I don't know, bro, what you're talking about. Or maybe you about code. What you're talking about. Need more details, bro. You wanna get maybe some help. Okay, small template. Oh wait. Oh yeah, we'll do like so, guys. Like so better, really. So big template will be layout order always 1. It will be 2. Like so. Dang, bro, I miss you. Thank you, bro. I miss you too, bro. Long time no see. So let's make this background darker, because we need to make a contrast for that. I think it will be better, because this is gray backgrounds. This is absolutely terrifying. Oh yeah, like so better. I don't know, maybe even darker. What about darker, by the way? Let's try. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Okay, maybe that's okay like this. But what about these colors? Maybe light we need to change in any case. 1 second, guys. So bye now, bye bro, bye. So we need to change a light, I think. Okay, not for this one, for this one probably. Okay, let's try like something like so, I think. Maybe this we need to make blue. Hello, bro. Hello, bro. Small template. Yeah, maybe like so. And this will be big, like the best offer. The best offer for today. And we need probably to change the color for really like epic. Long time no see. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Welcome. I don't know, maybe we just don't need this light. Let's try without. I don't know, looks a little weird or not. Or maybe that's okay. So what do you think, guys? What do you think? That's okay? This is like best deals for every day. Like here's will be a crate, of course. This is just a part for now. Here's will be a crate, and I asking about all these things UI. This is, for example, 20 ninja crate. Just let's make it. Let's make it a little. Maybe okay. Let's make it like true, like this. For example, text. Looks good. Thank you, bro. Bro. Hopefully, finally you reach 1000 per a new PC. Maybe, bro. Maybe. Thank you. Okay, 5-ton crate. Instead of 1000. Okay, instead of 1000. 1000. Like 800 coins. Okay, no, I forget about this thing. Instead of 400, like this, for example. Have to go, just come in to say hi. Okay, bro, okay, thanks for visiting. Have a good day, bro. Have a good day. Okay, maybe we need to recolor this, because this looks really boring. Maybe really that's the problem with that. Let's try. Why not? Maybe we just need to take this color. Too dark. Let's change color. With saturation, let's move. Okay, maybe we need to place it in the middle. Maybe really. And maybe make it bigger, by the way. Like this. Let's try. Like 35, for example. Or 30. Yeah, 30, I think this will be enough. What about color? Maybe like so. So okay, I think that's good. That's good. Right. Maybe we have some pages here if we if we need. Or maybe not. You should let me make your UI. No, bro, I'm working solo. Thank you for offering. This is my solo project, bro. Okay. Roblox shop. Let's maybe see some references because shop. You should just give me money to prototype your UI. It's better, bro, to find someone else who give you money. I need money, bro. There's a lot of work. You just wanna work. If you want, you can find this work in Roblox. That's not a big deal. So let's see. I don't know, they looks all really bad. I know one guy where we can see, by the way. I know one guy, this guy. And let's see, maybe there's some references we'll find here. Okay, bro, bye bye. You're really annoying, bro. Okay. Oh yeah, maybe something like so. Maybe something like so. Let's see. Yeah, this is logos already. This is logos. Profan, your phone overheated again or something. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. Thank you, Noel. Thank you, Noel. Yeah, tell me, guys, if there are some issues with the camera or maybe stream, because I can monitor that. And thank you for reporting, Noel. Yeah, something. Okay. So like this, I think. So let's go. So should work. Nice. Let's go. Hit me from the channel, and I was trying to send a super chat. Bro, you just really annoying, bro. Why you telling me? I told you, like, I work alone. Why you try to keep pushing me, bro? I don't want your help. I work solo, bro. Because I just block annoying people, bro. If you continue that, I hide and this channel also. If you wanna send me super chat, bro, if you think you told me like you told me, bro, you need the money and you try to send super chat, bro. What the hell? Just keep your money instead of super chat for you, because you told like you need right now money, bro. So so I don't need probably money the same as you, bro. So it was a joke. I say I'm better than G-Fict comment as a joke, man. Bro, I'm not about this. I'm not about this. It's just annoying, like I should do something, so you force me to break my challenge because you need to work with me, bro. But I don't feel like I want to work with you, bro. And I don't want to work with someone, bro. So a lot of guys suggest me help, but like after I telling them I don't need a help, bro, they just stop. You continue and I block you, bro. I blocked you because of that, because you continue pushing me and pushing. I don't like that. Or you act well or you be banned everywhere, bro. So okay, so okay, this is just of course with no crates. This okay, wait, there is some yeah, like so better. Okay, so of course when we have a crate, it'll be better, because now it's just a block, and we probably screen gun. Oh yeah, thank you. No, stop calling me annoying. Thank you very much for a donation. Thank you, bro. But really, bro, you told me like you need the money and then you donate me, bro. What the hell? Anyway, thank you for support. Okay, so anyway, Anyway, there's will be a models like crates. By the way, what crates I wanna create probably, like, let's Blender crates. I'll create in Blender something simple. Create maybe case. Oh, create. Create Blender. Something simple I wanna make. And of course, I'll make my animations. Okay, why I'm checking it now? We don't need it right now. What's that? Not like so, but okay, that's not a problem. That's not a problem. We'll find that. Okay, let's see. Maybe there are some references. We'll find that. Limited deals. Oh, by the way. It looks like I opened something else here, not? Okay, probably not. I don't know, maybe we need to make it smaller and place more items here, by the way. I don't know. Maybe really 3 instead of making pages. Maybe let's make more items here. I don't know. Let's try, why not? Let's just change these ones. What if we do something like so? What if we change layout order? Let's try. This will be 1, this will be 3, this will be 2. What if do like so, for example? Maybe that's better instead of making the pages here. Okay, what if we place... Okay, or wait, maybe this should be on top because this is the best deal for the day and this is like additional ones. What about this? Maybe really like this even can make. Or that's a lot. Because really, like when we open best deals, it should be on the first page. It'll be better, definitely, if it's like so. You need to see in the full size like so. Yeah, I think maybe this will be good, because for example later if we have some skins, we can make like skins like for characters, like 3 big ones here, like vertical templates later. This is when we have skins, for example, and it should be here. But there is a lot of offers. What if we, for example, remove 3? Maybe we don't have a lot of offers. It should be like so. Also not bad, I think. Also not bad. Or maybe less. Question: what does allow API services do in Studio, and why people say it's important? Because without API probably it doesn't work teleport between places, and what else? Teleport definitely doesn't work between places, and I don't know about maybe data stores or something like so. You need to read about this. I also didn't read about this. I only know about teleport, bro. But there's definitely something like access to servers or something like so. I think I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure. You really need to read about on your own better. By the way, I want to read also about this now. A set of function and procedures allowing to creation of application that access the features of data, an operating system application or other service. So is there a side effects? Side effects? Yeah, sometimes of course through API I heard sometimes hackers can hack your game, but bro, you don't need to worry about that a lot, I think. So even without that, I think they can do that. So this is set a function and procedures allowing the creation of application that access the features of data of an operating system, application or other service. So this is what I told, like you need what is API? Oh, client internet API server. So this is layer between the server and I think and client. Okay, like a waiter. So API like a waiter. This is good picture, by the way. That's good explanation. So make the order, waiter take the order, bring in from the kitchen, deliver order. So this is API. Quest. Yeah, this is layer between the server and client. Instead of writing complex code from scratch, they can call APIs that already provide the functions they need. For example, if a developer wants to display a weather report, they can use a API to get the data instead of creating the entire system to gather weather data themselves. Okay, so that's it. So you don't need to worry like a lot about this thing. Just do that, bro. Just do that, I think, because I do that and no any issues I faced with that, definitely. Thanks, man. What game are you trying to build, by the way? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors, each level. Here's a pinned message in the chat. Here's 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Okay, what if we do like so? Okay, what if not like so, like 2? Small template. Yeah, what if we do layout like this? Maybe like this. Really, yeah, I think this is the best layout. Why? I explain why. Because we have a lot of variation for that. For example, if I want to make, I can make like so. If I want, I can make like so. Like really, I think this layout will be the best for best deals. This is only for best deals, of course. This is not for crates. For crates we have default like this, I think. And really, we just need to save these ones. Small template. Best deals. Okay, and let's check again these ones, how they look like. No, this is definitely not the same. Absolutely not. Okay, yeah, this is, I don't like that, so we'll make it like so. I just joined. What's the game going to be about? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Here's a pinned message in the chat. Here's 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. So cool. Thank you, bro. Thank you. So okay, but wait. I don't like the size of that. This small, that's okay, of course. Big, about big, I don't like that. Let's change the Photoshop. We made that. Oh, what a guy. What is bro? Is. I don't know, probably I'll need to create bunches of crates here. Yeah, probably. Shop templates. So let's take a screenshot of that, because I need a size. Okay, and let's go here. So only beak we need to change. Convert to smart object and apply all these effects. Let's see. Nice. Let's explore that now. Trim. System. Big template 2. Because it stretches on here. Image. Yeah, that's better. That's better. I wish the pinned video. Sheesh, man, keep going. I make game 2 and sometimes we feel tired, but keep pushing. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much for your wishes. I'm making game 2 and sometimes you feel tired, but keep pushing. Yes, bro. Of course, we all face when we're tired, and bro, yeah, I'm pushing, and I wish you the same. So good job. By the way, guys, in Friday, yeah, next Friday, so this Friday, on this week, I'll make a stream. I'll make a stream where I play your games. So and some just give you feedback as a player more, and maybe some tips if you want. I'll give you as like a developer if I have. So so if you want, next Friday I'll wait for you guys. Here we'll play your games on the stream. So yeah, like so. Great. Like toolbox item is collapsing. Bro, I don't completely understand what you're talking about. Need more info, bro. I can't give you some tips or advices about that or help because I don't understand what you're talking about exactly. Like toolbox item is collapsing. I don't know, bro. Maybe this is a bugged item. Maybe I don't know. Do you have Discord so I can explain you there? Yes, bro. I have Discord, but I'm not helping personally. Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes I help personally, bro. But if I help everyone, it takes. I do it like every all my free time. So, but you can join the Discord in my Discord server. Link in the description. And here is we have channel help you called, and you can send your problem here, and maybe some guys or even me, if I have time and wish, we help you. So try here, bro. Try here. Link in the description for Discord channel. Might be done with my game then. Would be love to have you. Thank you, bro. Yeah, great. So guys, yeah, next Friday you can show your games and we play test. We play on the live stream, and I give my feedback about that if you want, of course. So how would you help? Hi, Hazim. Hi, hello, welcome. So how would you help? Bro, I'm not helping person, I told you. Sometimes, yeah, if I have time, wish, and wish, bro, I help sometimes, but only in my... Sometimes, yeah, in live streams, if you explain your problems better. And maybe sometimes in Discord can help you channel, bro. I created this channel, bro, for helping guys like you. So welcome here. And some other guys also can help you probably here. So so okay, templates done, I think. Let's make it invisible and let's put them here. 2 minutes, guys. I'll be here. 2 minutes. So I'm back, my boys. What would I tap in answer? It says tap answer. Oh, answer any, bro. This is just for nothing because Discord required to do like so. I approve you. I approve. Absolutely. This is no matter, bro. What's your response here? What? I don't know. What is question even here? Like hello or something like so? Okay. Okay. So okay, these templates we made. Let's make best deals. Best deals. How we create best deals? Probably, I don't know, maybe manually do all of that. Probably yes. Done. Okay, bro. Okay. Yeah, I approved. Here's a channel called Help You in Communication chapter. So you can describe your problem here, and me or other guys maybe help you, bro. So. Okay, let's create. What is this script? What the hell? Sort date. Okay. Okay. Interesting. So creates best deals. Let's go in our replicated storage, in our services, in our shop system, of course. Domain shop create type. Right, let's close that. Let's think what we need to create for shop. We need to create let's create a configs in infrastructure, I think. Best deals. Best deals. Best. So we need somehow to make a config about this. Like this. I send it. Okay, bro. Okay. So, best deals. For example, oh wait, no. Ninja crates, maybe. Price. Yeah. Old price will be. Probably we need to call that. Call. Okay, image we don't need. Ranges we don't need. Description also. Like price, old price. But I wanna like make. Okay, no. Let's make it. Let's make this different. I wanna like it automatically calculate that, like so, I think. Hello, Nolja. Hello. Welcome, bro. When I do config, I just put return and then this inside the table. I put the key int value. That's so much cleaner because less syntax. You can try it, bro. You can't believe in that, but I just thinking about that. But I'm not. I wasn't sure how to use it properly. Like so, right? Like this. I think like so. Yeah, like that. Yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you. I just thought about that, bro, but I wasn't sure how to use it really properly. Okay. Okay, Ninja crate, maybe amount 20, for example. 20. Okay. Price. Local survivor crates config. And you can also remove the bracket for the key, and you don't need to put key as a string. Like so. The problem, there is a space like this. There is a space. Or are you about something? Remove the space. I want to take this name. That's why I like the whole name, and it's easy to make like so. Okay, so survivor crates config, for example. Hello, haven't caught your live for a while. Hello, welcome, bro, welcome. You can put a name as a value if you need a name that needs space. Oh, bro, you're right. Wait. Yeah, I've got it. What you're talking about. But the problem, like I've already used this as like a key for something. Yeah, that's. I think it will be better like so for now, because I've already changed that. Okay, later maybe I clean that. It should be like so, bro. It should be like so right now. Maybe a bit later I fix that, because there is some because something already works like so. Okay, just keep it it's personal preference. Sure, bro. Yes, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I like how you suggest, bro, but I've already made like so somewhere, and I don't remember where, and and this will be this can cause some problems. It's service replicated storage, services, create system, infrastructure, configs, survivor, crates. What is in survivor crates config? I'm very interested. Survivor crates config. Oh yeah, of course, I forget require. And I think, why it doesn't work? Really, bro, why it doesn't work? Ninja crate. Yeah, bro, you're right, probably. Anyway, we need a name. It'll be easier. And here, like so. Wait, I can't pass that. So your model is consistent. Hey, hello, welcome. Why I can't put the name here? I thought this is like a variable also. Okay, for example, Ninja Crate. Oh, wait. Yeah, I've got it. We can't do it here. We can do only like... Yeah, we can do... we can need to calculate. You should inject that outside. Yeah, I also think like so, bro. I also think like so. Your config is only data. Yes, you're right. So let's make here only discount. Discount. I don't know. Discount is good? No. I think better we just set the price. Like new price. Because, for example, I wanna put a certain number for like new price would be like 777, like so, for example, and calculate discount every time, and it'll be really not good. Anyway, so amount and new price just like for 3,000, for example. What game are you making? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Here's pinned message in the chat. Here's 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. From outside, you can call the module and then inject the best deals, then value of name. Yeah, I also think like so. Yeah, you're right. Okay, just... I think you're right, bro. I think you're right. We need a name because of that. Because we just need... For example, I have a lot of ninja crates. And I need to make like so, like 10 ninja crates for... like so. Deal 4. how much our tank rate? 200 costs. So this is 10,000, right? 10,000, we can sell it like so. Wait. Okay, like this. It's clean, right? Yeah, it's clean, bro. You're right. Yeah, I forget. Like I'll have a lot of the same names here, and I need definitely just name it deal 1 or something like so. Deal and number. And you can just make a generic logic reading that data. What is generic logic? Like, what's that? Yeah, just for example, of course, this all of that. Tank crate. So Ninja crate 300, right? Yeah. So for example, this should cost 6,000, and we 4,000. This should cost 3,000. It will be 2,080. This should cost 1,500. Like this, for example. Yeah. Iterating, like using for each loop, you did that already. You just didn't know the term, bro. Oh, okay, I've got it, bro. Yeah, I'm not terms, not my powerful side, bro. That's called generic logic reading data. So if you don't want new content or data, you just touch the data, not the logic. So if you don't want, so if you want new content of data or data, you just touch the data, not the logic. Oh yeah, I've got it, bro. Thank you for explanation, bro. Yes, great. So so you can just create here the deals, any, and call them, like for example, I just come here and I want to call deal 5, I call deal 5 only. And probably I need type, yeah, type also. Or maybe wait, maybe make 2 different configs for small deals and for big, because we have 2 templates, one big one, this is the best deal, and will be small, which not the same. Okay, so I'll need to call that from 2 different configs, or just I make a type for all of that and it stores in one config. Maybe we don't need to make 2 configs, for what's really, just we check the type, for example big or small, and we call it from right, yeah, right, type equals to local big is small big. Yes, like for every deal and data in pairs, best deals do logics like that. Okay, I've got it, bro. I've got it. So let's make a type here. Type big, small, big, and small. Okay, let's. So this is done, I think. How to organize our shop system now. So I think we need to create a little plan what we need to do with this one. So we have shop system, right? What the hell? Where is it? Okay. So we have shop system. We have shop system. In shop system, let's separate domain domain. Yeah, just domain. What controls domain? I think you probably use dependency injection. Dependency injection is like you pass in another object or class to another constructor class. You probably use dependency injection. Yes, bro, of course. Without that, it's impossible. Looks like impossible to work with. Or class to another constructor class, and you can learn to model object using UML diagram. So you can know the high-level flow of your system. What is UML diagram? Let's check. And there's different types of UML. There's class diagram. Okay, and what I need in my case. I use it usually when I want to visualize my objects. What is the game about? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors. Here's pin message in the chat. There is a 4-minute video about this game, and if you watch, if you want, you can watch. If you want, if you watch. What the hell? So pinned message in the chat, if you want. You can search class UML diagram. Okay, let's go. It's specific for a class. Let's go. You can plan the attributes and methods or each class you want to create. Like this, right? Like I create a class and here's a methods, right? For example, subclass, also methods, for example, here. Yes, your understanding is correct. Okay, yeah, that's you can look for another example, like there's a plus sign and minus sign. Like this one, probably. Plus sign, meaning is the public method that you can use outside. The minus sign is the local helper for that class only. Okay, okay. So that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. Okay. So so local helper, this is like local function, you mean, right? Inside the, or just a method, also methods, or wait, not local functions in no, it doesn't. Anyway, it's also methods, but methods which we use only inside, I think. Yeah, like so. Local function, private method. Private function. Okay, I've got it. Okay, thank you, bro. So I saved that, by the way. Okay. So, shop system. Domain. Let's create that. What we have? Let's go in our domain shop. We have some. By the way, this is okay. Just create type. You can try apply it for when you plan your systems. Yeah, right now I started planning my shop system and I'm struggling really with that. So thank you, bro. Thank you for helping. Okay, create type. So this is plus, right? Can open create. What else we need here? It's good. I don't know, Nolgia. Best deals. Wait, best deals. No, wait. In domain, we probably don't need that. This is shop system. So, shop system. We for what we need shop system? Just buy and sell crates. Sell crates only if you have some crates for and open, of course. You can open right in the shop. So I don't know. In domain probably we maybe don't need, because best deals, this is buy, sell, open, trade. Buy, sell, open, trade. Trade will be later definitely. Okay, so I've already made that in inventory, so it shouldn't be hard, I think. Okay, so here's we check crate type and check only for open crate, if we can do that. Pretty hard to anyway to think like so, but okay, domain, so only these two, I think. So we make two checks here, right? So I need to spray this by layers, I think, right? Application. Shop service. It's okay, bro. I feel you. Okay, application shop service. Here is we need buy, sell, open, right? Buy, sell, open. I think like so. Application buy, sell, open. Infrastructure. Infrastructure. There will be configs. Remotes. Okay, let's make like so, I think. Remotes buy, sell, open. So just write it down. We don't need it. This is on the server remotes and local remotes also here. So also configs. Config best deals. And data controller. Oh, I think no. I think we'll make it like so better. It's like this one. Data controller. Like this. Okay. Presentation. Presentation. Presentation like in lobby, what we have in, oh, not lobby, here. So we have top controller, top controller also will have subclasses. Top controller. Oh, anyway, should be bigger, I think, because we place some methods here, I think. Top controller. Best deals. Creates coins. Okay, so presentation, just like a layer, I think will be. Like this. No, let's make like this better. So presentation layer, top controller, this is parent class and this is subclasses. Top controller, this is for items, right? Right. Viewer controller, of course. Viewer controller. Yeah, let's move it a bit down here to make more space. Oh yeah, and maybe we'll need a method, so of course here, let's make it much down here. So viewer controller. Viewer controller also the same. Best deals top. Create stop. And coin stop here. Here is viewer. Best deals viewer. Also info, yeah, info, of course, info controller. Info controller. Observed on you, bro. You have a gazing mindset. What is gazing? Gazing. What's that? What's that, bro? Okay, info controller. Info controller. Filters we don't need because we don't need to sort something here. Okay, this is like the main tabs we need, like 3 different things. You can search Kaizen, bro. Kaizen meaning continuous improvement. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you very much, bro. I wanna see. Oh, okay, bro. Okay, thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Okay, so and you can combine that with the Shosin beginner mindset. What the Shosin? Beginner mindset. They said means that ability to adapt and learning new things. Thank you, bro. Probably. Okay, so this is 3 main like 3 main classes we'll make, like info, viewer, and items. Also we need here buttons. What is buttons controller? Yeah, buttons controller, like so. Buttons controller, and here's will be category tabs controller. Gotta go, bro. See you next stream. Gotta go. Okay, thanks for being here, bro, and thanks for help, bro. Yeah, next stream will be in Friday, bro. So good luck, and thanks again for the help. Okay. Category tabs controller. And page navigation controller. Page navigation controller. Selection mode controller. What is selection mode here? Selection mode controller, I think also we'll need here. Yeah. So buttons controller. Okay, this is done. Create model builder. Filter we don't need. What is main controller? Okay. Sound manager, of course. Sound manager. This is with no subclasses. UI animations, and that's all I think. UI animations. Okay, like this. I like this plan. Finally, it's more clear than just keep it all in the mind. So guys, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat, and I'll be here in 20 minutes, my boys. And we create a plan together. So 20 minutes, I'll be here, my boys. I'm back, my boys. uh, Yo, Subdude, I've seen you improved. Sorry, I wasn't checked much your streams because Legends Battlegrounds updated, so I needed to check the update. It's sick, has impact frames that are crazy, but good job. Nice. Thank you, bro. No problem, no problem. When you have time, join, bro. Just don't worry about that. Wait, what I... You sick? Yep, bro. Yeah, it's almost finished, Kohin, and I thought, like, I recovered. But then it starts again, bro. I don't know what the hell is that. I'll try to cure all of that, but so anyway, a little bit sick still. I'm sorry for you, man. All hopes you get better. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. So, shop system, crate type can open crate. Buy, sell, open. Let's go. Shop system application, shop service. Shop service. Function, shop service. So how is it going to, what are you trying to do on your game right now, since I haven't been looking much? Now I'm making shop system. I've already done with inventory system, crate system. So now I try to make shop system, like with special offers and some other thing, just shop GUI, like so. Okay, let's create a method. Buy, sell, open, sell, open. I'm trying to make my own spelling bee game type of stuff, but like I still haven't learned coding, so I can't really do anything right now. You should just start, bro. Oh, I'm trying to. You typed. I'm trying to make my own spelling bee game. Bro, just you need to start. Just you need to start step by, make a little steps, and it will be better anyway. Because bro, we all start with something simple, like create some simple things, and just later you increase the size of your game. It needs coding for words, or it will just bug out. Didn't get you, bro. What's coding for words? Bro, I recommend you just to make to start making little steps and find tutorials where you need, for example, how, like, simple things. For example, you need to increase the speed for your player. You find how to increase the speed for a player. or maybe make a sprint for your player, or maybe invisibility make for your player. Don't so and like little steps, and then you can combine them into your game. So that's it. Like it will say multiple words at the same time, and it won't be possible to answer the spelling. So this is like wait. I didn't get you, bro. I didn't get. This is you try to make a game like Mage Arena, or how calls that, where you need to pronounce spells like so, or maybe I didn't get what you mean. Like it'll say multiple words at the same time and would be possible to answer the spelling. Can I tell you a custom word I made for my game? Of course, bro, of course. Sorry, guys. What the hell, bro? What's that? What? I'm scared, bro. I'm really scared of that word. I can't put in one message because it's longer than the limit. I don't understand what... This is like Mage Arena or something like so in Steam. This is new game where you need to speak in microphone. You need to pronounce spells, names, like call them by using your microphone. You try to do like this or what? No, you need to type them on the board as you hear them. Oh, okay. Okay, bro, okay. So, but I think this is really long words, bro. Like it says, can you spell, and then the word and a text word appears, and you need to type the word in the next word. Bro, it can be interesting. This concept, I already saw this concept in some game, but I wanna aware you about these long words which you created for your game, because people probably really don't, because it's really when I see these words I'm scared about this, bro. And maybe you need to make simple words or something like so. Orango is already in my friend's game. This is the game what I told about, or what do you mean? So all the game, this is like they heard these words and you need to spell it right? No, it's called Fernando spelling B. Okay. So you need to just properly write this word. But bro, I think people okay, if you make this game for you and friends, maybe that's okay. If you make this game like a lot of players play this game, so you should be careful with that, because people it will be hard for people it will be hard for people to remember all of that and type it right. So of course, this is my just opinion, bro. Some people are crazy, bro. Okay, okay. Learn them from memory. What the hell, bro? I scared about these words. My friend did 305 words per minute on Lepedo, which is what the hell, bro? What the hell? Okay, yeah. This is just not my type of games. That's why maybe I tell you like so. So of course, bro. Of course, if there's some games like so, because I'm not experienced in that. So okay. Anyway, bro, good job, because it's good when people try different and not common type of games. Anyway, so no problem, bro. But I really scared about this word. Okay, shop service. Let's create some methods just here in the main shop. So anyway, bro, good job. You tried to make something unique, and anyway, you'll see the feedback from your players. Invented all of these. Bro, you remember all of this? Really? What the hell, bro? What the hell? Which is what? What? This is one word? 189. Remember all of them, bro. You have a big brain, probably, and a very good memory. Because I even scared to read that, bro. What? Really? So this is just this is later, like, also you created this word, or what the hell, bro? It's called Tudin and it stores. So what these words? I'm not like for the game, for a certain game. I don't want to take that much, bro. Yeah, it's definitely a lot, bro. So for what these words? Like for the certain game, probably, right? Because, bro, I can't imagine that someone invented the word for using it in real life. So if you add this word is in your game, it should be endless game, bro. Probably. Or endless level, how it works for you. Okay, data controller buy cell open. Okay, so okay, I think we don't feel the methods. Okay, guys, I think for today we finish, because my boys. See see you, bro. So guys, Uh, I'll have 2 weekends. I hope I'll feel better after that. And we'll see my boys in the Friday. And in Friday, don't forget, guys, it won't be developed this game. I just make a live stream where I play your games and just give you some feedback. And so prepare your games if you want. And we play test. So, so thank you guys who was here. Thank you guys who watched. And see you soon, my boys, in Friday. Bye bye.